Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a subsidiary ledger. A subsidiary ledger is a detailed accounting record that supports and breaks down the summary amounts shown in a general ledger account. Its primary purpose is to organize important financial information and monitor individual transactions. This detailed view prevents the general ledger from becoming too cluttered, providing clarity for both high-level overviews and specific operational needs. There are several common types of subsidiary ledgers, such as those for accounts receivable, accounts payable, inventory, and fixed assets. For example, an accounts receivable ledger tracks individual customer balances. These ledgers offer granular insights, helping businesses manage specific accounts effectively. Key benefits include better organization of financial data, a significant reduction in accounting errors, and enhanced capabilities for detailed financial analysis and decision-making. To create a subsidiary ledger, first identify the general ledger control account that needs more detailed tracking, like accounts receivable. Next, design the ledger's structure, ensuring it includes essential fields such as transaction dates, clear descriptions, and specific debit or credit amounts. Then, record individual transactions daily into the relevant subsidiary ledger, ensuring each entry is accurate and complete. This meticulous process builds a robust, detailed record. Once transactions are recorded, periodically summarize and post the subsidiary ledger totals to their corresponding general ledger control accounts. This ensures the main ledger reflects the overall picture. Crucially, regularly reconcile the subsidiary ledger balance with its general ledger counterpart. This vital step helps identify and correct any discrepancies, ensuring accuracy and consistency across all financial records, leading to reliable financial statements and improved internal controls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.